Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given this particular problem where it is about an electrolysis experiment and the masses in grams of a metal being produced under different conditions are being measured. And they summarize this in a box and whiskers plot as shown here. How do I find my median mass? Well, my medium mass is here, which will be $11. Okay, so that will be the answer for medium. That's where you find the medium, Q2. The range of the masses means that I need to know what is my maximum and minimum. So for range, right, I will then have to look at my maximum, which is this line here. So it corresponds to 15. And that will be my maximum, which is the highest value. My minimum will be here. So you can see that it is actually 8.5. And this is my minimum. So I just need to minus them off to get the correct answer. 6.5. 15 minus my 8.5. Maximum minus minimum. Interquartile range requires knowledge of the Q3, which is represented here. 13. That's my Q3. Upper quartile, and my lower quartile, which is represented by this end of the box. 10, that will be my Q2, and I just need to minus these two values. Okay, so you will see the working is 13 minus 10 to give me 3. Alright, so this is my Q3 and this is my Q2. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.